Hi, I'm Ishan. Welcome to my YouTube channel VFX School. So in this tutorial, I'll show you that how we'll clean this pillar. Okay. So first we'll set the project. So we'll play the footage. So as you can see that camera motion is quite good. So we need to camera track the footage. Okay. So before camera tracking, the first thing you should do is remove the lens distortion from the footage. Okay, it is very important because as you can see that in the virtual 3D world we don't have any camera with lenses, but in the real world we have camera with lenses which aren't perfect, so they give distortion. Okay, so we need to remove it. So we'll take the lens distortion node. Okay, so we'll remove it. I'll show you how. Okay, mask, we don't have to mask anything. Analyze range, so we'll analyze range 2120 2210. Okay, camera motion, our camera motion is free camera, we'll set that. So we'll analyze sequence. So we have removed the lens distortion from the footage. Okay, see, we'll press D. Okay, so now we'll camera track the footage. I'll take camera tracker node, range input global. Our camera motion is free camera, lens distortion we don't have. Settings, preview features, we'll take about 400. Okay, we'll do camera tracker node and we'll track the footage. So now we'll solve. So you can see that our error rate is quite good. So if you want to reduce it, you can reduce it. We'll decrease the max error a little bit, max track error a little bit. Okay, and delete rejected, delete unsolved. Okay, so we'll go to 3D view. So as you can see that our 3D orientation is not correct, our scene is not correct, so we need to correct it. Okay, so we'll set the ground plane. So we'll select some points on the ground. Okay, like this, this, right click, ground plane, set to selected. Okay, right click, ground plane, set to selected, ground plane, set to selected. We'll take more points, ground plane, set to selected. Set to selected. Okay, so our ground plane is defined. So we'll go to 3D view. So now you can see that our scene orientation is quite correct. Okay, you can see the wall, the pillar, and the ground. Okay, so now we'll create scene. Create. So you can see the animated camera. Okay, see. So now we'll take the skyline render node. Okay, we'll take one skyline render, camera, we'll go to merge, background, foreground, we need to correct the background to lens distortion. Okay, so we view through merge. See here, see our point clouds are staying on the ground, staying on their position. Okay, so then we'll create the card on the ground. Okay, We'll create the card. We'll select some points on the ground. Okay, we'll select this, this, this. Right click, now create card. So our card is created. We'll connect to a scene and we'll give it a texture, checkerboard. Now we'll view through merge. Okay. So now you can see that our card is properly on the ground. Okay. So minus 90. We need to align the card properly. So we'll align it. Okay. So we'll disable the camera tracker on cloud. Go to card. We'll rotate that. Okay, so we'll now scale the card a little bit. Okay. We need to rotate more. Okay, so little bit forward. So you can see that our card is properly on the ground. Okay. See, I'll show you. So you can see that our card is properly sticking on the ground. Okay. So we need to choose one frame for projection. So I have taken the first frame because we are getting the maximum reference of pillar. Okay, so I've made the clean plate in Photoshop. So I'll show you how I've made. See. So we'll project that frame onto the card. Okay, I'll show you how. So we'll delete that checkerboard. Okay. So then we'll take one merge node. Go to A. We'll take one roto node. B. So we'll cut the area which we want. Okay. So we'll create one roto. See. This. No. We'll cut that area. We'll go to N. Now we'll view through it. So we'll project this patch onto the card. Okay. So we'll press D. So we'll project this. So now I'll take the project 3D node. We'll project this. So we'll copy the camera. Okay, Control C, Control V, and we'll connect the camera. So we need to hold the camera onto that frame of which we have created the clean plate. Okay. So this camera will act as a projector. Okay. So we need to hold it. So right click, no animation or all now. So we have deleted the animation. So we'll project the patch onto the card. This. So now you can see that our pillar is removed from the ground. Okay. So now we need to take one more card. We need to create one more card, and we need to project that card onto the wall because some part of the pillar is left. Okay. So we will create the card on that wall. Okay. So we'll go to camera tracker node. We'll go to that frame. We'll select some points on the wall like this, this. Right click, create card. So we have created the card. Okay, so we'll align the card. Okay, see now our card is properly aligned. Go forward. So you can see our card is properly aligned. We'll just scale a little bit. Okay, we need to take up. See, so we'll take the card a little bit up. Okay, we'll take the card a little bit. We'll play once. So our card is properly on the pillar. Okay, see, okay, so now we'll copy that frame. Okay, we'll take another merge node. We'll take one roto, press B, we'll go to merge, go to N. So we'll create a roto. Okay, so we'll create a roto. Remember that our pillar should be inside roto. Okay, so we'll play once and see. So it is going out, so we need to increase the roto size. Okay, so we'll increase it little bit. We have to increase from here also. So now let's see one more time. Okay, go to end frame. See, so our route is correct. So we'll take again the project 3D node. We'll take the same camera. Okay, we'll take the same camera. Okay, so we'll project that image onto the card. Press D. Okay, so now you can see that. See, our pillar is successfully removed. Okay, I'll play the footage. See, if you are getting the hard edges on the patch, give it a little bit of feather on the roto. Okay, so our pillar is removed, but we need to do some corrections also. Okay, so you can see that the hard edges, so we need to give it a little bit of feather. Okay, so we'll go to roto, we'll go to that frame. Okay, go to roto and we'll give it a little bit of feather. Press E. Okay, give it a feather. Okay, now we'll see that. Okay, now it's correct, quite correct. See on the edges also. See, some patches are there, some footage part, some pillar part is there, so we need to remove that also. Okay, so we'll increase the roto size. We'll increase a little bit. Okay, like this. Like this. Okay, now it's correct. Thank you. Okay, so we need to give feather at wall also. Okay, so we give it a little bit of feather. Press E. Okay. Press E here also. Press E. Okay. So now I'll see once. Okay. Now I'll play. So now you can see that there are no hard edges or anything. So now we'll play the footage once. Okay. So you can see that our pillar is successfully removed. Okay. Yeah. So now what we'll do is we'll redistort the footage. Okay, so we'll delete the merge node. Okay, and we'll take the lens distortion node, Control C, Control V. We'll connect that. We'll go to lens distortion and we'll undistort the footage. Okay, then we'll take one merge node. We'll connect A pipe, then B pipe. Okay, now we'll view through merge. So this is our redistorted footage. So you can see that. So guys, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel VFX School. Thank you.